Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Huh?
Where should I open it? Oh.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Does it fit your tablet?
Yeah. Wait, what's this for?
I don't know.
I think holding it.
Huh. Can you get your tablet? Where's your tablet?
I'm gonna get my tablet because it's just 5%.
Okay.
Okay, now how to remove it?
Remove that.
I want to remove this old case.
Hmm.
How is this?
Oh, not like that.
I cannot.
From the edge, from the corner.
What corner?
Start from the corner.
This?
Where's the corner? Which one is the corner?
Okay, let me tell you.
Okay, man. This is the corner, oh.
Where's the corner?
Start here, oh. Oh, get it.
Now what?
Oh. Get the other corner, oh. Oh, get it. Oh, put it.
Are you kidding me?
Why it doesn't fit?
This is for apple!
Oh no.
What? But the... Is this why?
I ordered the wrong one.
Yeah, this is from Apple.
I thought it's for Samsung A9.
Look. Look, it can just fit. What the?
Maybe you can just put this cover, then put it inside that one also. Maybe it will fit.
This?
So it's wrong.
Like, oh my god.
Oh no, it's wrong.
I don't want it.
Are you sure that's for Apple?
Yeah, that's for Apple.
Oh no. Tell it to mommy.
Okay.
Show it to mommy why it doesn't fit.
Okay, I don't want my tablet to fall down. It's more bigger than Apple.
Really?
It's from Apple.
Oh no.
You should have not buy that big.
Maybe it's for this one.
What's this? Another one. Are you kidding me?
What is that?
I got an Apple tablet? Are you kidding me?
Can I see? What is that?
Apple.
Is that an apple?
I'm gonna show this to mom. This was my dream. Buying an apple.
Open carefully, yeah.
This?
Yes. I
Also
think,
this?
yes, I think. No, be careful when opening. Careful, don't let it fall, ah. Can you show me? Can you show it to me?
Wow. Okay, now let's open it.
Open it. Unboxing? Is it unboxing?
Unboxing.
Oh no.
Did I just break the screen? Okay.
Can you show me?
Next one.
There's nothing inside, just
Okay, let's check by this. There is no pen.
I think. No, I told you there's no pen.
This is my charger. What's from the back?
No, there's nothing inside.
There's nothing.
Yes.
Where's the open?
Hmm?
Where's the open?
Can you show me first? The back.
Ew, wow. Apple! Finally, I'm here for the apple.
Finally, I will get
fine.
that.
Okay, fine. Let's see if it fits.
Wait. I will put it.